Okay guys, good morning. So we had news in the morning, so no trades after the news, and you see how the market moved the news moved the market. I'm sorry. Okay, so all this in the morning was nothing to trade, and if you're trading PA accounts, you know you cannot trade the news. So we waited for the dump and everything, so we're up with two micros. Okay, so we're using a 5-minute chart. Okay, so like I said before, this is for demonstration purposes, guys. So is to let you know if you are, for example, I'm a 51-year-old person, so I don't like to be, trading tick charts or all those foolish small type bars that that can drive you nuts. So it's better. I prefer the minute time frame because it's for me it's better. Markets are not like the past, and markets are very volatile these days. Okay, so that way you can trade less. For example, if you want to trade less signals, you can put markers and tell inside markers that you just want to trade, make one trade per bar. Okay, so it's not like you can trade. Okay, if you tell markers multiple trades per bar, it will trade as many signals as it comes into the bar, no matter if the bar is 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. Okay, so what we are looking here is consistency. Okay, so we're looking for consistency, and build something out of it. Okay, so if this, for example, right now we're up $300. So so if you're doing a PA Apex, you know that if a 50K account, you cannot make more than this money, because if you make more money, you will need to trade more days to get a payout. Okay, so yeah, $300 is a good number. 300 to 50 if you're doing a PA account. Okay, so trading minis is it has no logic in trading minis because the risk is too high, and you can easily lose the account. Imagine if you paid the $100 fee, $120 fee, and you lose it in one day, and that's gonna be a hard impact on you. Okay, so you need to be aware of what you are gonna be doing, and not risk too much. Okay, so micros are okay, guys. Micros are, you can see the amount of volume in the micros. That's because everybody is reducing risk. Okay, so just wanted to tell you that. Okay, so don't think that I'm changing the program. Okay, I'm not changing anything. Okay, the program continues the same. Okay, like the vertical lines you see here, this red and green, this this remain the same. It don't matter if this chart is DYM, the RTY, if it's Nasdaq or the micro ES or the ES, the signal is gonna be the same. So it doesn't change anything. Okay, what I'm telling you about is changing the bar size or the time frame of the bar. You can use a 1 minute, a 30 second, a 5 minute, a 15 minute. It don't matter. It don't matter. And some people say, why don't you code this into a strategy that we can backtest and all that? Because with markers, guys, with markers you can do uh, changes on the fly. Okay, so if I sell you a strategy that's gonna be hard coded, imagine if I die or something. Okay, so you will need me to be making all those changes for you and all that. So if you get the ability to learn how to code in markers, which is very easy. Okay, you can receive a teaching. The indicator store gives teachings on how to code. I think they charge like $70 for the session. Okay, so that way you can learn. You can add indicators if you want. So it's gonna be it's more flexible and easy. than giving you a strategy. Okay, with this you can change your target, you can have the ATM open, you can do a lot of things that with a hard-coded strategy is very difficult to trade. So I prefer these markers over anything. Okay, so it's much better for me. I understand this better, and for traders too. So okay, guys. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you about how it's working, and as you can see, the market is very volatile. So I would recommend you scaling down to micros, and so you can survive. I've been reading a lot of in the forums and everything, people blowing up accounts and all that. So be careful with that. So you see the market went up and out of nowhere, there is not even volume there. There's no sellers in there, and you just see the market pull down. So it's very difficult to survive trading minis. Okay, so go with micros, and during the day, guys, you will have many trades and you will recoup. Just take it easy. Don't rush. Okay, so that way you can make money, guys.